Kamusta? Narito ang medal tally ng 19th Asian Games Hangzhou 2022 as of September 27, 2023, 8 p.m. China 74 gold, 43 silver, 19 bronze. South Korea 18 gold, 18 silver, 29 bronze. Japan 14 gold, 24 silver, 22 bronze. Uzbekistan 6 gold, 10 silver, 12 bronze. Hong Kong 5 gold, 7 silver, 14 bronze. India 5 gold, 7 silver, 10 bronze. Thailand 5 gold, 2 silver, 8 bronze. Indonesia 3 gold, 2 silver, 6 bronze. Singapore 2 gold, 3 silver, 4 bronze. Chinese Taipei 2 gold, 3 silver, 3 bronze. Iran 1 gold, 5 silver, 8 bronze. Kazakhstan 1 gold, 2 silver, 9 bronze. Malaysia 1 gold, 2 silver, 4 bronze. United Arab Emirates 1 gold, 1 silver, 3 bronze. Tajikistan 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Macau, China 1 gold, 0 silver, 2 bronze. Kuwait 1 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Kyrgyzstan 1 gold, 0 silver, 0 bronze. North Korea 0 gold, 3 silver, 3 bronze. Mongolia 0 gold, 2 silver, 5 bronze. Jordan 0 gold, 2 silver, 1 bronze. Vietnam 0 gold, 1 silver, 7 bronze. Qatar 0 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Brunei 0 gold, 1 silver, 0 bronze. Oman 0 gold, 1 silver, 0 bronze. Sri Lanka 0 gold, 1 silver, 0 bronze. Philippines 0 gold, 0 silver, 2 bronze. Afghanistan 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Bangladesh 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Iraq 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Laos 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Lebanon 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Turkmenistan 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Heto ang ibang team participants ng 19th Asian Games: Bahrain, Bhutan, Cambodia, East Timor, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Palestine, Saudi Arabia, Syria at Yemen. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.